if you work in HR, learning and development, or have a people and culture type role, then one of the things you probably encounter from time to time is conflict resolution issues, right? How do you address conflicts and disagreements within the team, and how do you do it in a constructive and timely manner? And so we think some of the tools and techniques that you'll get out of a PowerProv workshop will help you, but also everyone else on your team, to work through those types of things when they happen.
Yeah. Yeah. Speaking of communication, sure. Yeah, look, I think being present, what Improv has taught us as well about being present, being an active listener, listening to understand, not listening to respond, goes a long way. I think sometimes people just want to vent. Maybe there's just an issue that they just want to be heard.
Yeah.
That's all. Not even a solution. Just so I know that you are listening to me. What I'm saying is valuable. You understand, and that could be all. Sometimes that could be the conflict in itself.
That's right.
And just having someone there that you can that can do that, and not always want to have a solution or fix the problem.
It's a really good point. It's kind of incredible how many times people come with a problem, and it's really what they need to do is express that it exists, and then they find their own solution.
Yeah.
Right? And so creating a safe place for people to do that, but also understanding that we don't always have to solve each other's problems. We can just support each other as we as individuals find our own solutions. And then I think in terms of the context of more of a professional environment, teams dealing with challenges and problems or competition, all that stuff can trickle into the workplace. And so by creating an ensemble mindset, helping people understand that you are one business with a common goal, even if you work in different parts of the business, you're fighting for different budgets. The reality is that there's a North Star you're all chasing.
Yeah.
And can you get aligned and realize the contribution that everyone's making? And I think the tools for communication and collaboration that everyone walks out of a PowerProv workshop with will really be invaluable when those conflicts arise. Yeah.